So today we're talking about network. So what a computer network is. So we will deal with networking and just for everyone to understand what network is. So a network is, that's a computer network, a group of connected devices. That is phones, laptop, routers, servers that can communicate with one another. That's for the simple definition, if you want the simple definition. If you want a more technical definition, you can say a computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that exchange data using communication protocol like TCP/IP over wired or wireless. But the important thing to note here is that 2 and 2 plus devices, so it has to be 2 and above devices, connect to one another. So there has to be 2 devices that connect to one another and they can communicate to one another. So that can be using Wi-Fi, Ethernet, satellite network, Bluetooth. Yes, I mean Bluetooth. So if you're sharing images, let's say you're sharing the Cyberchat logo from one phone to another. That process of sharing it, forget even the process, that point in which you can share the image from one point to another, that is definitely networking happening live and direct. So you get the concept of that. So networking is just basically if 2 devices can connect to one another, even when you have 2 phones that are connecting to one another. So if a phone, those old landlines can talk to each other, immediately they don't even have to. That is a network right there. So you can say Airdrop, cable, Wi-Fi direct, PAN, WAN, bus topology, star topology. And I know, you don't know what some of these are. And don't worry, I will explain it further in the next video. We will. That will be the next video. I will cover the types. But I will put a list of the types of network I have at the end of the video, so at least you get to view it and see what it's about. But then you can check the next video for the explanation for the types of network. That leads us to the type of network. So we have by size, because it's not just, if you notice, when I was listing it, it was actually feeling like it was, different. What's that? What's bus topology? What's star topology? Well, now this is how you type you can separate the network by types. Either you do it by size, that way you get your WAN, your LAN, your wide area network, your local area network. Then you have your by topologies, that's when we get the bus, the star topology. Then by architecture, and by transmission, by connection / access technology, by function, and a lot more. So all these types, we will eventually cover them. Probably in the next video we will do that. Yeah, in the next video we will. That will be the next video. I will cover the types, but I will put a list of the types of network I have. So that concludes this video, understanding network. So I hope this video talks about the bare definition and just understanding it. So in the next video we'll talk about the types of network. We'll go deep into that so that you understand how network are classified by. And I hope this is very educational.